Good afternoon, students. So, second part you have saw the video, I think, right? So, the class 9th standard, part 3, that is area of parallelogram and triangles. From the question number 4, I am going to explain here. So, up to 3 I taught here, right? Exercise 11.3, that is part 3. I am going to explain the question number 4. See, I will read the question and explain here. So, here you see the question number 4. In the given figure 11.24, ABC and ABD are the two triangles on the same base. This is the base is same of the upper triangle and lower triangle. That is, if line is intersecting, that is line segment is CD, bisect on AB line. This is the bisecting on CD. That center is getting O. This side is equal to this side. So already the given. Then show that area of ABC and area of ABD we have to prove. Let it start. So here in the CD is a bisector, already I taught. CD is the bisector line. This is a bisector in between on the line. And on AB, that point we are getting the intersecting at O. That is point O. Right. After that, so you see here that O we are taken. And OC is equal to OD. This is lines. This side is given. This line is given equal. OC and OD are the two equal lines that is given. Right. Then we are taken inner triangle ADC. Inner triangle ADC. This is the triangle you see. Bigger triangle. And AO is the median. AO is the median. This is the triangle we are given. This is the triangle we are taken. This triangle. Like, okay. And AO is the median on CD. AD is on median on DC, right? And in that triangle, we are getting the two triangles. Area of triangle AOD and AOC. This is we are getting the two triangles. That is equation 1. Similarly, inner triangle DBC. This is one this side triangle. This part we are taken the triangle. This part is close. And DBC and BO is the median on DC. BO is the median on CD or DC we can take. BO is the median on DC. Then here also we are getting the two triangles. Then area of triangle BOD and BOC. Area of triangle BOD is equal to area of triangle that is BOC. So equation 2. Adding 1 and 2 from left hand side you see this equation 1 and equation 2 left hand side. AOD plus area of triangle that is area of BOD. And right hand side we have to take ADC plus BOC. We have taken. See, AOD plus BOD, these two triangles, AOD and BOD. We have taken these two triangles. What we will get? Angle ABD. What we will get? That is triangle ABD. We are getting. Similarly, right hand side you see AOC and BOC. AOC and BOC, if we add AOC and BOC, this is the upper half triangle we have taken, then triangle ABC we will get. Hence, proved according to the given question. This is the question number 4. Now, the fifth one I am not going to explain, you have to solve by itself. I am skipping that one. Next, I am going to, that is small, very easy is there. So, the sixth one I am going to explain here. See here, the given of that, see, question number 6. So, in the given figure 11.25, diagonals AC and BD of quadrilateral. AC and BD are the two diagonals. Then ABCD intersect at O such that OB is equal to the sides are equal given. OB is equal to OD. That is OB is equal to OD. The sides are equal given of the points. And if AB is equal to CD, then show that first sub question is given. Area of DOC is equal to area of AOB. DOC, this is opposite of AOB. And area of DCB, this triangle you see, and area of ACB, this triangle. This triangle and this triangle we have taken. And third one is DA is parallel to CB. DA is parallel to CB, or ABCD is a parallelogram. We have to show. And hint, from D from the D, we have D and B. From the D and B, from the D and B, we have to draw the perpendicular on AC line. This we have to draw. I will explain you here. Okay? I will draw the diagram and properly I will explain. Now, we have drawn the figure also here. A, B, C, D is that is a given parallelogram. They told this is the AC1 diagonal and BD is a diagonal that is intersect at O. That we have to draw D from D and B which is perpendicular to that on AC line. This is also perpendicular on AC. This is also perpendicular on AC. Next, the first sub question you see here. We are taken here first sub questions. Draw DM is perpendicular on CO, OC, CO or OC, and BN is perpendicular on, we have taken any variable we have to take. BN is perpendicular on AO. Correct? These are the two perpendicular lines we have drawn here. Next, we will got here that is our triangles, two triangles. See here this triangle and this triangle we have taken here. See, in a triangle DOM and BON. These are the shaded diagrams you see the two triangles. These are the shaded two triangles. We have taken this triangle and this triangle. So, triangle DOM and BON. And angle BMO is equal to, from here to 90 degree we will get center O. From here to 90 degree we will get center O. That both angles, angle M and angle N are 90 degree, that is given. We are taken here. After that, we can see, then similarly, triangle that is you see DMO or BNO, these are the two angles are so vertically opposite angles. We know that vertically opposite angles. These are the two triangles which are getting, these are the opposite angles, vertically opposite angle. This angle will go this side and this angle will come this side. These are the opposite angles. That is we are taken, that is for VOA, that is for vertically opposite angles. And DO is equal to BO. This is the line of the diagonal of that. DO is equal to BO. Then we are getting the 90 degree also, angles are getting vertically opposite angles, sides also getting equal. Then we call it as, therefore, triangle DOM is congruent to triangle BON. DOM is congruent to BON. That is a congruent. And DM is equal to BN. And DM is equal to BN. That is for CPCD, corresponding parts of a congruent triangle. Then area of triangle DOM is equal to area of BON. Area of triangle DOM is equal to BON. That is equation 1. Right. After that, similarly I will take in a triangle DMC. This triangle you see outside the space. This triangle DMC. This over. These two triangles are over. Next we are taken in a triangle DMC. This is our exterior angles. I am taking triangles. And BNC. BNA. That is exterior. This is exterior. This is also exterior. Angle DMC is equal to BNA. That is both are 90 degree. From here to here 90 degree. And here to here 90 degree we are taken. That is one, both are 90 degree. And DC is equal to AB. That is DC is equal to, we are taken AB. And DM is equal to BN. DM is equal to BN. That is equal, hence proved. That we are taken. Next, from area of triangle DMC is equal to area of triangle BNC. Area of triangle DMC is equal to area of triangle BNA. That is we are taken, that is equation 2. Adding 1 and 2, from equation 1 this value, from left hand side, right hand side. Left hand area of triangle, this is DMC, and right hand side this is BNC. From the left hand side you see first equation, area of DOM and DMC we are taken here. Right hand side BON and right hand side, that is second equation, BNA we are taken. So see here DMO, first equation you see DMO plus DMC. What is the full triangle we are getting? That is DCO or DOC. What we will get? That is triangle DOC. Similarly, come to that right hand side, BON plus BNA. BON plus BNA. If you add BON plus BNA, if you add together, what we will get? The bigger triangle is BOA. That we can write BOA or AOB. That is equation 3. We are taken, this is the right hand side value and this is the left hand to left hand side is equal to. After that, by adding triangle BOC in equation 3. This is the equation 3 we have taken after that. So BOC. So here DOC plus BOC adding in the equation 3, DOC plus BOC we are adding is equal to right hand side angle AOB plus angle BOC. Right? We are adding. After that you add, you see angle DOC plus BOC. If you add, what is the bigger triangle? DOC plus BOC. These are the two triangles. This one triangle and this one triangle. If you add, what is the bigger triangle? BCD. What we will get? That is triangle DCB. That is DCB we will get here. We are getting here. And similarly, right hand side you see angle AOB and triangle BOC. You see, this is AOB and BOC. BOC we are taken. This triangle and this triangle we are taken. After that, the full triangle, what we will get? Full triangle is A. That is what it is, ACB. This is the bigger triangle we are taken here. So we got here. Then we call it as this triangle and this triangle left. And what is the left? That we have to write. Then therefore triangle DMC. Therefore triangle DMC is equal to triangle BMC. Hence proved also. And DCM is equal to angle BNA, that is BAN. DCM from here to down and 90 degree, here to down and 90 degree, BAN. That is CPCT, hence proved also. This is the question number 6 over. This is the bigger one, that's why I taught for you all. Next, 7th one is very simple. I will explain here also. Very simple is there here only. Question I will read and explain here. See that question number 7. 7th one. See only. See, D and E are the midpoints. D and E are the points on AB and AC, respectively, of triangle ABC, such that area of triangle, area of DBC, this is one triangle, and EBC, this one and this one. We have to prove that D is parallel to BC. That is okay. Area of triangle DBC and area of triangle EBC. What is the DBC and EBC? What is the common we are getting? That is BC is the common of the triangle. They must lie on the same base. That is base that is for BC and parallel lines, that we can call it as parallel lines. D is parallel to BC. Hence proved. That is the 7th one. We are done. Now the question number 8. XY is a line parallel on the BC of a triangle ABC. That is, figure is not given. I will explain you. If B is parallel to AC, B is parallel to AC and CF is parallel to AB, meet XY at E and F respectively, show that area of triangle AB is equal to area of triangle ACF. I will explain by question. See, now see, the 8th one continue. I am doing here explanation. See, XY is a line. XY is a line. XY is a line parallel to BC. This is the baseline of BC. That is the given triangle ABC. This is the given triangle ABC. All of you, can you listen properly? Can you understand? ABC is the triangle given. Then, which is parallel, XY is parallel to BC, which is parallel to BC of the triangle ABC. Then you see, B is parallel to AC. BE, see, this is the parallel to AC. See the AC line? This line is parallel to this line. This line is parallel to this line. And CF is parallel to AB. So these two lines which is parallel to AB, CF is parallel to AB, meet XY. That will makes XY at E, that E and F, which is XY is meet at X, E and F. XY meet at E and F. This will extending the line of the given respectively. Show that we have done the question already. Show that what we have to write. Show that area of ABE is equal to area of area of ACF. We have to hence prove. We have to show. See here. Now in the solution, see here. Solution, xy is parallel to BC, already I taught you. Xy is parallel to BC, comma, and EY, that is EY is parallel to BC. EY is also, see here, EY is parallel to BC line, and B is parallel to AC. This line is, already I taught, this line is parallel to AC, and BE is parallel to CY. Sorry. BE is parallel to CY. See, BE is parallel to CY. This line is parallel to this line. See, these are the two parallel lines we are getting, right? After that, BEYC. See, BEY and C is a parallelogram. This is, you see the figure. This is BEYC is the parallelogram, and XY in that BEYC is the parallelogram, and XY is parallel to BC. XY is parallel to BC, and XF, X and F is also, that is parallel to BC, and CF is parallel to AB. CF is parallel, this line is parallel to AB, and CF is parallel to BX. CF is parallel to BX. CF is parallel to BX. Right? I will write Robert right here. See here. CF is parallel to BX. Right? So next after that, BCFX, BCF and X. This is the parallelogram we have taken. This parallelogram we have taken here. BCFX. This parallelogram. See, four-sided. Right? After that, BCFX parallelogram we have taken. Then BCYE and E, and BCYE and BCFX, they are the same, between the same parallel, same. This is one parallel and this is also parallelogram. They are the two parallelograms which is the, that is a common we are getting. EF and BC are the common of the parallel lines. BC and EF are the parallel to the same parallelograms of the same parallels, right, of the parallelogram. Then area of BCYE and area of BCFX, BCYE and BCFX. These are the two parallelograms we are taken here. This is equation 1. After that, we are taken here, see, then triangle ABE, that is triangle ABE, this triangle you see, this is the triangle we are taken, and BCYX, BCY and E, this is the YE, BCYE are the parallelogram, are the same base. This triangle and this BCYE, this is the parallelogram. That what is the common we are getting here? Can you tell me that? See, BCYE and triangle BEA or ABE. What is the common? We will get the common baseline is CE. BE we will get. See here, BCYE, this we will get. This is the common, and ABE. What is the common we are getting in the parallelogram and triangle? That is we will get. That is the BE, and the same parallel BE and AC. BE and AC we will get. That is for parallel lines, and some parallels BE and AC, some parallel also BE and AC. Understood? Now triangle ABE is the half of BCYE. This is the half portion, the triangle which has half of that parallelogram, that is BCYE. That is equation 2 we are taken here. After that, we are taken here, then ACF, then we are taken here ACF, we are taken AC, then the triangle ACF, this first we are taken this side, now we are taking this side, then triangle ACF and BCFX, this is one parallelogram, this triangle and this is parallelogram, we are taking here, are same base, that is CF. For this triangle, baseline is CF, and this parallelogram also we are taking the common, that is CF. We are taken between the same parallel lines. So we are taken that parallel lines, and triangle ACF is the half of BCFX, that is BCFX, that is half of AC. ACF is the half of BCFX value, that is equation 3. Then 1, 2 and 3, from equation 1, 2 and 3, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So according to that, we will get the common, that is 4. Then triangle ABE is equal to triangle ABE is equal to ACF, that is ACF. ABE is equal to triangle ACF. Hence proved. According to that, we are got. Understood? Next question I will explain in that, maybe in the next part. Okay.